All right, welcome back. Today, we are getting the grill fired up for something truly special. Ayam Bakar Madu Pedas manis. Yep, that's a mouthful, but it basically means we're making the most incredible, sweet, spicy, and smoky grilled chicken. Let's dive right in.
Just let that sink in for a second. The grilling process, that distinctive smoky flavor. This isn't just weeknight chicken, This is a special dish. It's the kind of food you make when you've got family or friends coming over. That's exactly the vibe we're going for today.
So what's the secret sauce here? Well, it's all in the name. Sweet, spicy, smoky. This chicken is all about that perfect balance. Let's get into what makes it tick. Okay, so think about this combo. You've got that lovely, natural sweetness coming from the honey, but just when it might get too sweet, bam, you get that awesome kick from the chili. And then, wrapping it all up is that rich, deep smokiness from the grill. Wow, it's a perfect flavor triangle, really. And get this, you're probably thinking a dish that sounds this amazing must take hours to make, right? Nope. You can have this on the table in just 40 minutes. Seriously, that makes it perfect for a weeknight when you want something special, or, of course, for a weekend cookout.
All right, so to build flavors this big, you need the right set of tools. Let's open up the flavor toolkit and see what ingredients we're working with.
So check this out. We're not just throwing everything in at once. We're building flavor in 3 stages. First up is the spice paste, the bumbu halos. That's our base. It's got all those aromatics like garlic, shallots, and turmeric. Then we have the braising liquids. This is where the magic happens with a technique called Ungkep. We'll get more into that. This part makes the chicken super tender and soaks in all that sweetness from the coconut milk and palm sugar. And finally, the glaze. This is what gives us that sticky, gorgeous finish on the grill. See? It's all about the layers.
Okay, toolkit is all laid out. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about how we bring all this together and turn it into something amazing. It really boils down to 4 main steps. First, you'll prep the chicken. Super simple. Then, you make that incredible spice paste and get it all fragrant in the pan. Step 3, and this is the crucial one, is the braising. This is where the deep flavor infusion happens. And last but not least, step 4, hitting the grill to get that char and glaze it up until it's absolutely perfect. Okay, so let's zoom in on this for a second because this Ungkep technique is the absolute key to this whole recipe. It's an Indonesian method, and it's brilliant. You're not just boiling the chicken, no. You're simmering it slowly in all those spices and liquids. What this does is it forces all that amazing flavor deep into the meat, and it makes the chicken ridiculously tender.
And you can really see the difference it makes. Look at this. Before you do the braise, any sauce or marinade you use is pretty much just sitting on the surface. But after the braise, that flavor is all the way through to the bone. The meat goes from just firm to, oh my gosh, tender and succulent. It is, without a doubt, a total game changer.
All right, now for the grand finale, the grill. This is where everything comes together. That fire does 2 crucial things. First, it gives you that beautiful smoky char. And second, it caramelizes that glaze, all that honey and soy sauce, turning it into the sticky, incredible coating. Oh man, it's irresistible.
So you've done all the work. The chicken is grilled to absolute perfection. Now, how do we serve this masterpiece to really make it shine? A few ideas for you here. You absolutely have to serve it with some hot, steaming rice. It's the perfect neutral base for all those big flavors. If you want a little crunch, some fried cabbage is an amazing addition. Oh, and a squeeze of fresh lime right at the end, it just cuts through the richness and brightens everything up. And hey, if you're having people over, just lay it all out buffet style with some sambal and fresh veggies. Perfect. And that's the whole shebang. You're a complete guide to a truly phenomenal grilled chicken. So what do you think? Are you ready to fire up that grill and create your very own sweet, spicy, and smoky masterpiece?